Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on VIVO Z8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your own homepage, or you can click not now. And now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.